Look at this car. How can we fix it perfectly? No need to spray paint. The rear leaf board is double layer iron. It is more difficult to repair. This position has dropped its paint. This position has dropped its paint. The first step. Put this scratch. Let's clean this first. This is amazing. Does anyone know how this is made? The comment area told me. Oh, it's alright. Hey, there is no need to spray paint. Hey, what a trap. Let's take the next step to pull. This is a line pit. It would be better if we took this door down. Can we not open the door? Then you have to stick the hook in from this position. It's okay, but the work is tired, and it is easy to be uncertain. So this kind of repair is relatively common. We better remove the door and repair it more perfectly. What about these pits of the rear leaf board? Let's suck it out directly. When inhaling, pull out along this muscle line or out along the bottom of the pit. You must remember the two key points. This is the bottom of the horizontal pit. You can pull the bottom of this pit first. This is the rib line. You can also stretch the string first. Come and start repairing now. Don't you get up? Come and pull back. Which one of you needs this set of tools? Tell me. Hey, the door has been removed. Look at this. Let's open this opening. Just stick in from here. Stick in this hook. Go to build this hole. It's all. Hey, it's time to remove the tire. Oh my god, I'm afraid you will waste these little slippers. Dry and bold. Let's see what's going on inside. The lining must be removed. It's double inside. See if there is a process hole. Take the lining off. There is no hole in the original car. Then hit the eye. Just hit such an eye. Let's put the hook in. You can hold up these straps. I have been working in automobile technology for 18 years. I used to run a training school as the principal. I can't do anything. I want to go to the United States to work or start a business. I hope to meet a partner. There are 3 eyes for this repair. At last, we can use structural glue or glass glue. Seal it up. Then install the leaf board. It's okay after a series of operations. Alas, the board of the door is right. Beautiful. Hey, this place. Just a little paint. Give a like and follow me. Thank you for my homepage and more wonderful videos of teaching technology.